Hi guys, welcome to Cook, Read, Review. My name is Shay and I'm just a girl who likes to eat and who likes to read. So I figured why not merge the two and cook what I read about. This week we're reading Fireborne by Mckenzie Hunter. You can find my full review of this book on my blog at cookreadreview.com. First up is the braised lamb. I got this recipe from myrecipes.com. As usual, a link is in the description box below. This recipe calls for lamb shanks, but I searched about 3 places and couldn't find any. So I asked my butcher to give me something that will braise well, and this is what he gave me: some thick lamb steaks. The recipe calls for 2 cups of carrots, but I reduced it because I knew I'll be using carrots in my sautéed vegetables later. While the recipe calls for a dry red wine, I just used whatever wine I had in my pantry. As you can see, this is a smooth red blend. Lucky for me, this college in stock was buy one get one free, so I grabbed one for the lamb and one for the beans. You know, when someone describes a food as rich and you're like, what in the world does that mean? But this is exactly what I felt. The only way I can describe this dish is soft and succulent and rich. Next up is the white beans. This recipe is from joecooks.com. I chose this recipe because it has some bacon. And let's be real, everyone loves bacon. If you want your kids to eat more beans, then this is the recipe for you. It tastes just like bacon. Lastly, there's the sautéed vegetables. I know I'm an adult and I'm near 30 and I should love vegetables by now, but I really don't. So what I do is that I season the heck out of my vegetables. As you can see, there are no measurements because some of you might actually like how vegetables taste. So seasoning is all up to you. If you've reached this far, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, or comment down below and let me know what you think. Otherwise, to know what we're reading next week, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at CookReadReview. Thank you for watching.